A Ripple in Time, which soon will be in a CD format.
It's for Jurgen.
Was it in another lifetime that we met, held hands and talked? When our hearts beat both in rhythm to the cadence of our walk. Our lifetime seemed so many, as though falling through a dream. And I missed your warm sun and in mine, all these lifetimes in between. This lifetime that I held you tight, we kissed in evening's rain. But how is it in this lifetime that I can't recall your name? The night we watched the harvest moon entangled in the trees, and the silken strands of your long blonde hair danced to an autumn breeze. And that laugh on midnight shore, the softness of the sea. But was it really you? Could it really have been me? As lifetime that I held you tight, we kissed you in evening's rain. But how is it in this lifetime that I can't recall your name? The green grass on the hillside, the flowers around your neck, your smiling eyes, my starlight, as we lingered on the deck. The silver sailed galleon that rode forgotten waves. How many lifetimes have we lost? How many countless days? How many countless days? How many countless days?
Thank you. Feel free to sing along if you know the words.
Fire Blight.